Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here, my name is Cra'Deja. If you've been returning, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to be installing this beautiful 13x4 D-Wave wig from Alipearl hair. Y'all, this wig, oh my gosh. I know that I've done a lot of curly wig videos. I know that I've done just plenty of installs, but y'all, this is my favorite wig. First things first, I know you guys seen the lace. The lace is pretty much invisible. It's invisible. And the wig comes pre-plucked. I did no plucking. Absolutely no plucking. But we're going to go ahead and get into this video. So, as you guys can see, I already started off with my cap on. I have plenty of videos on my cap. I can do an updated bald cap video if you guys are interested in that. However, I'm still using my Boho active glue as of recent. You guys know that I've been using that glue if you've been watching for a little bit here. But let's talk about this lace. It is transparent lace, but it looks HD. Like, y'all, I can't stress it enough. I did not pluck this wig at all. It melts instantly. Like, you put your complexion color on there, it's good to go. This wig is legit perfect. So, one thing that I did notice is that the hairline it does come pre-plucked. So, if you are a type of girly or woman who prefers to have a thicker hairline, this gives so much to where, I'm gonna be honest, you may feel like you may not be able to get that many wears from it. If you are a beginner, this wig is going to be legit perfect. Number one, you guys know that recently from ordering a lot of wigs, you have 2 inches on the side instead of a 13x4 lace. As you can see right now, I'm just demonstrating how this is a full 13x4 lace. So if you want to pull your hair in a ponytail, do some braids, do a updo, not an updo, but a half up, half down, whatever you want to do with this wig, you have the full versatility to do. You are not restricted. There are no restrictions with this wig. And I absolutely love that because we be wanting to do more than just a middle part and more than just a side part. But here in this video, I had to give y'all the middle part. I haven't done the middle part in a long time. So I was like, yeah, let's do this. As y'all can see, as I am cutting off the lace, it is just literally melted in my skin. I think I received a comment on my video that was asking for more of a close-up on how to cut the lace, and pretty much, y'all, you just try to get as close as you can. You can rewind the video back to see exactly how I did it, but that is the key, to get as close as you can to the hairline without cutting the hairs. You guys seen that maybe a few hairs came off, but aside from that, you know, you're pretty much good. You want to just be patient. Another thing, you don't have to rush. It's not a race. Once you cut the lace is cut. So just take your time and measure. If you have to use like a lip pencil to kind of like measure and see where you want to cut and all that stuff, I would suggest you to do that. If you guys would like a video of me demonstrating that as well, I can. But for now, we're just going to continue into this tutorial. The hair, I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. It was easy to wet, easy to curl. Not curl, but it reverts back to these beautiful curls easily. It's not really shedding or anything like that. I still have the wig on currently. And I received so many compliments on this wig already. Like, it just... this wig gives. If you aren't already following my TikTok, definitely head over there. My TikTok is at Cra'Deja, just like my YouTube name. And you guys can see me with a lot of mommy content. I could have did the flip over method. I could have did a side part. I could have did a lot. But I said, I'm gonna get a girls looks. And I decided to go with this. Look at the lace. Where's the lace? Let's find it. You can't, baby. You can't find the lace. But I was like, let's just go ahead and go with this middle part. But one thing I wanted to emphasize in this tutorial is me not having to pluck any hair. Even when it comes down to my baby hairs, I didn't pluck any hair at all. And I just feel like that's why this wig is so perfect for beginners, because there's two things that can mess a beginner up when installing a wig. It is plucking. The hair can be too thin, it can be too thick, and the baby hairs. They will make or break your style. It's multiple things for me, but those two things I feel like are like the most important. Your plucking and your baby hairs. If you don't wear baby hairs, this is even more perfect for you, because this is foolproof for you. You don't have to worry about anything. I was kind of irritated because I kind of cut this one a little short, but I kind of made it work. I made it work. Now, y'all see that I'm trying to do my baby hairs on camera, and every time I try to do my baby hairs on camera, I always mess them up some way, somehow. But I was trying for y'all today. I was trying. So, if you were able to get the concept from that, girl, listen. I applaud you, honey, because I really did try. But we're going to go ahead and get into the specs for one more time through this hair. Y'all, this is Deep Wave 13x4 frontal wig from Alipearl. Transparent lace that looks HD. The lace is perfect. The hair is perfect. It already comes pre-plucked. Not just in the traditional regular pre-pluck that they be talking about, but like the actual pre-pluck to where you don't have to pluck your hair at all. I'm a type of girly where I'm going to bleach my knots, but if you didn't want to bleach your knots, they're so small to where you can't even see them. Like, it gives. I'm just in love all over again. Love it. Give this wig a 10 out of 10. Seriously, this is the wig for the girls. I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to check out my social medias at Cra'Deja, at Cra'Deja C, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.